Hello everyone, if your Avatar Frontiers of Pandora is stuck on this black screen, it's not loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Avatar Frontiers of Pandora easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to your C drive, and now you're going to go to your program files 86, you're going to go to your Ubisoft folder here, Ubisoft Game Launcher, then Games here. This is the default location for the Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. Your location may be different, so just open this folder and then you'll have this AFOP exe file. You're gonna right click on it, click properties, go into compatibility, and just make sure both disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator are ticked on, and after that just click apply. Okay, and now whenever you try to play Avatar Frontiers of Pandora, you'll see that your game will load correctly. You will not be stuck on that black screen anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.